na wotwe etwa mo beka ya ye ne Minerals Commission Chief Executive Officer edi nkomodie no na eye ensakraya omode aba ewo fo magodie tu ene hyehyɛ ye omode ye adwuma ye no eboa Ghana adwumayefo eboa Ghana fo na ene so ye beto asankomo no so na ya hye insurance eba no eye financial bank ahodo a enyimaku akese nyina wo mo edum dwuma no nya sikabum na bank be no mo defa eye Ghana de anase amanonefo de omode aba ha sei eno so o cheso mo de sakraye abamuti ye de ni nkomo na ye hye se de ho amanebo no etie Owura Martin Ayisi eye Chief Executive Officer Minerals Commission ye de no ena chichi sa enkomo yi na me pese usi so ma me se tailing storage facility no after the implementation monitoring it is saying the effectiveness won say you no figure ya wo hwe ba bia nenam ya over $70 million the effectiveness no monitoring no costing
it is saying it won say no dam
yeah
one baby we see one no it's a Minerals Commission approve it
okay
Chief Inspector of Mines method now we use no this ya approve it then you be site ho obesi wa ha nti unya this so ham or whatever mo friend so fear whatever bo fempe from that very moment inspectors no be ba ho every week answer na we see wi unim de ntia once in a year insure no year pe the friend say dam collapse ebebu na the whole town tis ebu ABC or Canada ABC or Brazil na afi na we say only Ghana's committee of inquiry then they see Minerals Commission botewu inspectors no they are not properly trained there be intelligence or geotechnical engineers they don't kwa brochi no ma the best way of doing it until start and yes you twen will be answer every stage be yeah monitor next time me send you videos ni pictures
mate
na you bet me catch us we wall we one 2 meters there be o there 7 because how so todo so that in so to na aye we yeah monitor pa until we come up Ghana ni na yes
mate nti I say no he fa bi na local
oh yeah wo
na warehouse in
lubricants are local
okay
and then the shame before pa make obi as nya after tailing soil facilities and then what is there
medical services yeah
abna the medical service need to so the same time na the tailings no too so and also December 2022 one and started December January 2023
and say purely Ghanaian
before that free for all mama Bissau
okay
then now yet a crew na onim say ansa na obetumi a practice as a doctor in Ghana this ye train wo ha and now if you are brochi ko Oxford and I have one of the best medical school this are ba yeah, friend convention.
Yeah.
Near test because now we are broaching tuntum bene or work school or US ni we want tuntum that. To buy so what is your worth as a doctor if you cannot treat malaria? So bahana be sia Ghana die no. Yen sama okrata say oh you qualify to practice in Ghana.
Okay.
The same thing me a lawyer ni well uko law UK. Uko ye wo one Harvard, Canada ubaha. This obey the no can because obi anche Ghana legal system obi anche common because obey sa pepepe so main tia ni entia say aden na companies edit contract bema foreign company omubaha omutumi infa doctors infa outside and more then they will come and hire Ghanaian doctors. It doesn't make sense now what more kakre bi no kono de ni sika ko it is stop here. It is for a company which is a new month. Achim a half. Sisi almost see a half enough. Achim mama tomba yin. With the direct indirect boomer, you are almost getting to about 10,000 workers.
Okay.
Because the young fellows say, oh, I've now age more new months is here. So husband and all my baby are 4.
Yeah.
Your husband and your children are covered.
Okay.
Because me say, no, my wife doesn't work here. In the Minerals Commission medicals, it cover me. It cover my wife, it covers my children. So you can imagine 5,000 workers of a mining company. Oh, until you did too, so no doctors how mobile be register. Wow. Year na you did too, so no December no. Na foreign company being running medical services for Golden Star. There was at Chimpin. Okay. Normally, we share mining contract and say, hey, these are the new things. Tom guy say, oh, contact. When I'm saying no, moon to me from foreign company. Intino, moon farmer contract. Abna, ye can say, and I within a year, Uko, Golden Star was at Chimpin. Ghana in running medical services. The whole of 2023. Your 2024 month be November. Yeah. It's almost getting to in a month's time or so. Maybe how many years? 2 years. Menya complain beer from Golden Star. Okay. Say Ghana need to mean because me the me yapa no say to me confirm doctor outside. Wow. So other than all the contracts, more foreign company for medical services. Obebaha, no befa Ghana nurses, Ghana doctors, no hire Ghanaian professionals at the mine site. We are Oboka bear 5 cities, 20 cities, and not in the 15 cities come on it. Into your stop here. So, in fact, 2023 per year, that was the most exciting year for Minerals Commission for the good people of this country. Medical services, TSF, Minya. So. Medical services no. Oh, yanyanka. Abna. Yanyanka. One company na ma wasa chimpim no. Yeah. They will have renewed their contract. It's almost come baby. Okay. Okay. Medical services I watch some of the buy ya fimuni and 2023 data ye dey air cancer no. Almost $16 million. Any sika abagana abrokotafo any Ghana anese fonchen. They just say initiative how they buy no. Or my crampo na who say Edin Fasopa naba. Sika when you beka how. Yes, I can win and come. I could be manso. Why, you know, na look, a nyamu program way panka. Obi after so mining company almost a bush baby. Omu to go now with the economy task it will be. Nabro from Kwan and Jessica. Ye Casse, Mammy repeat you. Ye Casse Chirano, sorry, a penny saying cardinal resources. Chinese mine on mobile is criminal. A cost $700 million. Maybe I bear 3-4 years time, so almost started so much your tax. But every day, Mutonia Mo, Tifu no call Ghana ni ho. Yeah. Lubricants Ghana ni. Overall work clothes Ghana ni. TSF Ghana ni. Almost CCC Niamano, your favorite civil west Ghana ni. Medicals Ghana ni. Yes, I didn't say be by your friend of financial services. Okay. Financial services. Yes. Same first page now, college, you know, financial services. Okay. Okay. Financial. Before that, your insurance. Insurance services. Now, I'm running chair, everything at the mine site is all insured. Into mining company, we are insure staff. Mining company, we are insure equipment, or as a like Minerals Commission, we are insure staff. Okay. Inspectors now more coffee we are BCCC you know 2023 they spent insurance $22 million. 22 million. Insurance Ghana afford it. Okay. Say your foreign companies were we said no. Insurance should go to Ghanaians. Hey, what the open say SIC in good. Okay. That is it. It is a say a half of now Musina Umber Commission next year. Extreme DNA my insurance for their workers for plant equipment and machinery. Bibia into me expertise 2024 insurance record be about $30 million. And our financial services figure $830 million. Okay. 2022 year in Shishabi by say almost ton gold na at least almost the musica no ba mo fa 20% and fa Ghanaian local banks.
Okay.
You pay to 60%. In 2023, no, 71% of gold no muton musica no ba back. Wow. Now gold we have about 5.2 billion. They brought in a little over 4 billion. Into no scrap be no almost the local banks. They say CBG, Ghana Commercial Bank, local banks. Because wow, you see, sometimes there might be a sort of force you Mommy using the word force.
Yes, Juma.
And yes, one yen is a Juma. Because you see, almost pay mechanism above on the bank one. APSA, Stanbic, and Standard Chartered. And as well.
Because of now, I'd say confidence.
Now, South African company, Anglo Ashanti. Go first, South African company. Go first. Takwa Maya Omudiye. Damanya Omudiye. Anglo Ashanti, Obuasi Omudiye. Ena, Iduapin Omudiye. These are 4 big mines. Omuka 13 I may finally report Omo parent company for South Africa. Stanbic Bank in Omudiye. In South Africa. Inti one for saying itself for Usika no be for commercial bank and a CBG and a Greek development bank or the fine. Stanbic.
Sure.
Omuto tax no mu profit in new almost can coin back to South Africa. Inti inshishene da onu say at least every year 60% of Usika nya oton good Usika nya bia no for local banks. Oh, there 40% of because Stanbic, for because Standard Chartered, absolutely winning. And you mean a bank bia, but at least you find say oh, ton good now. Oh, value report now $600 million. At least may check here. It says 60% of the $600 million. If I bank say, "Man, so I know they call ADB." And you mean I said mature bank I saw the call because I did listen to Central Bank, Bank of Ghana, my list, and the more. In the more list, bank according to Bank of Ghana, local banks. Sounds you call National Insurance Commission. Near the list of companies, insurance companies owned by Ghanaians. Near the mining company. At the end of the day, has always used Agricultural Development Bank, Commercial Bank, CBG, and family home. But young family say, "Uton go near 100 million. At least 60 million should go to some of the local banks."
Enforcement say
no, now who court in that jet say abna said you are there or you want any main foundation if you ask it. Me ma fine 1 million Ghana cedis.
Want to mean to ya, then what
me pesa utia by 3 days time. And by next week. When what happens? You go to jail.
Send me a court.
In default, wow, Katsanea judges 20,000 fine or in default 3 months imprisonment. Until say finding one year, we shut down the mine. There be now in the first place, CEO of a mining company.
Okay. Say
I fine you even $10,000 CD equivalent. Only we share with us no union wow. Nyame Adom now is we no muti asem fine. But the Minas Commission say oh in Shishena on one day so near fine 500,000 untia. Hey, who close on the mine? You bet your license.
Okay.
I say what by late? You more query. Maybe a day without pay and now go home. And now sorry, you are fired. Could transfer into a mining company and you have been fined $500,000 or $200,000 or $100,000 and you will not pay. Now Tiona Minas Commission, the letter but say your geo license, you see what will happen. Abra was talking so.
Okay.
Inti answer ohini said you di kwasa sema opemu ma wo crawle obeda fam na wa roli sa na eti inti omo a ya mo won na ya bom kokoko say fines in ban. Oh, they are rushing here to come and plead because obviously Martin just can fine in every piano. Me shareholders, criminal mankasa. So I then I am the ultra owner. Minas Commission fine $500,000. 1 year with you, my Coffee. When I say Ghana, you want the empire about mine. I ain't here, Pomo, and I will be full. It told me a very careful. When you say you need to say you will find your more. But you shall report now. Fines above and pa because my are very careful. Because you pay by over coffee. Wow. The company will sack you. Yes. And now that year, no my bonus. Every corner bonus is $50,000 and $100,000 for incurring a fine of $20,000. No bonus for you. Until you see you now, you want that kind of life. So be. Mr. You have now 3 times. They be out here late. Yeah, my warning, sir. The next time is what? Dismissal. Until I send my down.
But you go so Eddie Encomo. Aha, Adom and Osheno. Na osanso etie na mekai o executive executive officer your minerals commission Martin ayisi na edin komo nti wo hwa ne dwumadie ne hihye ya wode aba eba ne ye mining sector hono no a edisika bo mining se wo ye to a aban ne age a asanso disika ahye Ghana fododo no a ebotom sika naka ne hihye bi ne bobo so ede ema wo no enti ye beda wase na fe yaje ne sema etwato na yede asi ewo ha oraisi dia na beka etwato de wabobo so nyina mayen dia na beka etwato
oh me dia abna mining dia no na chichi ko we o me ko kan sisi as no mining no Ghana mo say hey papa we akantem hey but mining
so can mining one can them say
no what I'm trying to say na say Ghana say they illegal
sure.
Well, but mine are chichiku this year, we said your name more than half of year total receipts. Every free mine.
Okay.
Mine ya na chichiku. Now, the social name I abu. Wow, so into Yanka $26 million, you are 33 we catch in air coin. Financial service. Look at all these things. And I nye program where I am of a fair anchor and for the Ghana for him say, oh. Almost a bush. Near Kotu, near the crowd outside, near Mom royalties. We yanka royalties as him. Yanka taxes as him. You can goods and services. And a near way is like almost every day. Every day, mining company, I can see almost use for. Okay? Cars, air cover, machines, lubricants, every day. Wow. $3 billion spent on local purchases.
Okay.
You know, and then supplies. But me challenge kakra no say almost about half of this 3 billion. The money from a beef and nearby.
Okay.
And you know, yeah, she no say I want South Africa BT and go South Africa. Almost Buni English cause almost input. One machine is any money be I almost use one mines and more year or yeah, import it. Into and we better kakra. Wow, into fabrication, all those things, you know. Maybe I will put with time, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, now maybe time you say, oh, into I want to mean excavator, full and so above from beton full. You cannot manufacture excavator. Fine. Why should you allow foreign companies to come and sell fuel? We stopped it.
Okay.
And he will chrome. Sika back chrome power. Who come mining company say Charlie? Why the power and our price of gold are cost through in history. So almost tonyama, almost exploration, etc. And he and I just found for fine or Minas Commission. Okay. Or a BB office and all those things. But BB engineering. Okay. Engineer. Na kwa BB.
But Mama na Sarah Martin ayisi and I know Edin Komono Minas Commission Chief Executive Officer Edin Amejeso and ne abena pokua when near Medasa Jebre e kan